नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is genetic diseases, part 2nd. Now, structural abnormalities. During cell division, meiosis as well as mitosis, certain structural abnormalities of chromosomes may appear. Structural abnormalities may be balanced or unbalanced. Balanced structural alteration means no changes in total number of gene or genetic material. Unbalanced structural alteration refers to gene rearrangement resulting in loss or gain of genetic material. First is translocations. Translocation means crossing over or exchange of fragment of chromosome which may occur between non-homologous or homologous chromosomes. There are two main type of translocation. Reciprocal in about two-thirds and Robertsonian is one-third case. Reciprocal translocation. Reciprocal translocation may be balanced without any loss of genetic material during the exchange or unbalanced with some loss of genetic material. First is balanced reciprocal translocation is more common and the individual is phenotypically normal. Example, translocation between long arm of chromosome 22 and long arm of chromosome 9 written as it T9 semicolon double 22. This translocation is termed Philadelphia chromosome seen in most cases of chronic myeloid leukemia. Unbalanced reciprocal translocation are less common and account for repeated abortion and malformation children. Robertsonian translocation. In this, there is fusion of two a- acrocentric chromosome having very short arm at the centromere with loss of short arm. Second is deletion. Loss of genetic material from the chromosome is called deletion. Deletion may be from the terminal or middle portion of the chromosome. Third is inversion. Inversion is a form of rearrangement involving breaks of a single chromosome at points. Fourth is ring chromosome. A ring chromosome is formed by a break at both the telomeric ends of the chromosome, followed by deletion of the broken fragments and then end-to-end fusion. Isochromosome. When centromere, rather than dividing parallel to the long axis, instead divided transfers to the long axis of chromosome, it results in either two short arm only or two long arm, also called isochromes, isochromosomes. Single gene defect or Mendelian disorders. In order to unravel causes of disease at genetic level, spectacular advances has been made in human genetics. With mapping of human genome consisting of about 30,000 genes, it is possible to perform molecular profiling of disease at genetic level. Mutations. The term mutation is applied to permanent change in the DNA of the cell. Mutations affecting germ cells are transmitted to the next progeny, producing inherited diseases, while the mutation affecting somatic cells give rise to various cancers and congenital malformations. Presently, following types of mutation has been described. First is point mutation, is the result of substitution of single nucleotide base by a different base. Stop codon or nonsense mutation refers to a type of mutation in which the protein chain is prematurely terminated or truncated. Frame shift mutation occurs when there is an insertion or deletion of one or more base pair in the DNA sequence. And trinucleotide repeat mutation is characterized by amplification of a sequence of three nucleotides. Inheritance pattern. In the inheritance pattern of genetic abnormalities may be dominant or recessive, autosomal or sex-linked. A dominant gene produced its effect whether combines with similar dominant or recessive gene. Recessive genes are effective only if both genes are similar. However, when both alleles of a gene pair are expressed in heterozygous state, it is called codominant inheritance. A single gene may express in multiple allelic forms known as polymorphism. Autosomal disease are due to defect in any of 1 to 22 autosomes, while sex-linked disorder are mostly in X-linked chromosome. Autosomal dominant inheritance pattern is characterized by one faulty copy of gene in any autosome and one copy of normal alleles. Disease phenotype is seen in all such individuals. Patients having autosomal dominant inheritance disease have 50% of chances of passing on the disease to the next generation. While in autosomal recessive inheritance, both copies of the genes are mutated. Usually, it occurs when both parents are carriers of the defective gene. Examples are having one normal alleles and one defective alleles in each pattern, and each parent passes on their defective gene to the next progeny, causing disease. There is 25% chances of transmission of autosomal recessive disease when both parents are carriers. X-linked disorder now are caused by mutation in genes on X chromosome derived from either one of the two X chromosome in females or from the X-linked chromosome of the male. There are much fewer genes on Y chromosome and are determined for testis. Y-linked diseases are rare and include male infertility, excessive hair on pinna, retinitis pigmentosa, color blindness, and XYY syndrome. Multifactorial inheritance. Multifactorial disorders are those disorders which result from the combined effect of genetic composition and environmental influence. Examples are cleft lip and cleft palate, pyloric stenosis, diabetic mellitus, hypertension, congenital heart disease, and coronary heart disease. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.